Welcome to the Swedish Maker. This week I've painted the workshop and put up new lights. Alright, so yesterday we painted this side of the room twice, and then we moved everything over from this side to this side so that now we can paint this side twice as well. So we're going to start with that, and then I can put up all the new lights. I got LED lights for the ceiling, and after that I can put the things in the right places. Now for the lighting, I got these LED panels from iGoStar, not sponsored. They are daylight panels which come with these aluminum brackets that I can put up in the ceiling and then put up the light. So that's the next step. I got 5 of these. They might be too bright, so I might have to cover them with something later on. But for now, I'm just going to put them up. And we'll see how it looks. There's still a lot of crap in here, so it's a bit of a problem moving around, but I really want the lights up before I can start putting everything in its correct places. But the best thing about these lights is that I will not have the flickering which I had before with my old lighting. So let's get to it. I really love it when they package everything like maniacs. Let's tape it 20 laps around this bag of screws. Hey boss, how many meters of tape do we need around the screws for the LED panels? 15 laps of tape. It needs to be a hassle getting into the bag. Come on. Seriously, this much tape? It's no bag, it's just tape. Now, if I measured this correctly, it should fit in here. Like so. I'm usually quite a tidy worker, but when it comes to renovating, there's stuff everywhere, and I keep looking for things. Half of my days are just looking for where I put stuff. Maybe I'm not a tidy worker anyway. Now it's just about connecting the wires and the light should work. Great. Now I just have to do 4 more. No, 3 more, because I cheated and did one last night. 3 more lights. But that was pretty easy. It didn't take too long. Now there's a piece that's supposed to go here as well, but the cable will come in between, so I need to cut a hole for the cable. I'll do that later. But this is good. Now we have lights. That's it for this week. The painting turned out really good. The brown color that we had before was awful. And the lighting, I'm so happy with the lighting. The flickering from the old lights were horrible, and yeah, it seems to be a good working light so far. These lights were really simple to put up. I'll put a link in the description to these lights and the frames I got. And all the links down below are affiliate links, which means I get a percentage of every purchase, but it doesn't affect the price that you pay. Now for next week, I need to clean this place up, and the first deal of business, I guess, is putting up some tools on that plywood. So I'm going to make a tool wall somewhere, and I'm going to clean the rest of this up. And I'm also going to build a work table with storage so that I can store some of this stuff in there. And I guess I need some shelves as well, but I have no idea what yet. And I need to fix the sound. There's a lot of echo, so I need to fix that too. There's a lot of stuff to do, but that's it for this week. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.